Hello, this is Patrick Anderson with Plantinap. In this low-code feature focus, I am going to show you how you can modify Plantinap's out-of-box registration form to add a confirmation field for both the email address and password fields. This is a really straightforward enhancement to the registration form to ensure that you are creating the best experience for your end users. I've already created a new page called Registration. I'm going to bring up the persona bar and put this page into edit mode. Now I'm going to add a module to the page, and I'm going to select Action Form. I'll place the form right into the main content pane. Now I'm going to click the Manage Form link that appears in the module. From here, I can select the registration form template that is available for the Forms module, and click Start. I'm not sure I like that module title, so I'm just going to change it just to Registration. Now I'm going to scroll down, and the first thing I want to do is take the email field that exists already in the template when I bring it up, and I'm going to edit that field and change the type to text box. Just to confirm, after I change the type to text box, note that I still have email address validation enabled by default. Now I'm going to collapse the email field, and I'm going to add a new field, and I'm going to scroll down to text box, and I'll call this Confirm Email. With the text box field type, I have this option called Confirmation Of. I'm going to drop that down, and I'm going to select Email. And this is the reason why I switched the email field to a text box, because otherwise I wouldn't see it here. I'll collapse the Confirm Email new field, and now I'm going to add another new field. And here I'm going to add another password field. And I'm going to call this Confirm Password. And note that the password field also has the Confirmation Of option, and from there I'm going to choose Password. Now that I have these two new confirmation fields added to the form, I'm going to scroll back up and switch to Layout mode. And I'm going to put these fields in their correct location beneath the field they're confirming. So for the Confirm Email, I'll just drag that up and put it directly beneath the Email field. And for Confirm Password, I'll drag that up and put it directly beneath the Password field. Now I'm going to switch back to Edit mode. And note that I have some custom CSS in both the Email field and the Password field. If I go to UI settings, I can see that I have a max width of 240 set on this field. Just to make sure things are consistent, I'm going to copy that and go to my Confirm Email field and scroll down to the UI settings there and add that same CSS there. Likewise, I'm going to check my Password field, scroll down to UI settings, and I have the same style selected there. And I'll go to my Confirm Password UI settings and paste that same style there. Now I'm going to save the form settings that I've added. And click Back. Now, in another browser, I have navigated to my registration page, and I'm just going to quickly fill out the details of the registration form. Note that when I start to type the email address into the Confirm Email field, I get a message indicating that the fields don't match. And it will stay that way until I type the email address exactly the same as the email field. Note that I get the same message with the Confirm Password field. and it stays until I type the exact same password that I put into the password field. Now I can click Register. That wraps up this low-code feature focus where you learned how to enhance Plantinap's out-of-box registration form to add a confirmation field for both the email address and password fields. I hope you have found this information helpful. If there is another feature you'd like to see in a future video, please leave a comment below. For more great low-code content, make sure you subscribe to Plantinap by clicking the red subscribe button below. Thank you.